Racing Jazz is started with a scramble in front position. Antonio De La Mugis Sandans rushing up down on the inside together with Melania, then followed now by Rancheros. Racing down the backstretch, we have Sandans, says why we follow if we can take the lead. Enjoying a length and a half lead. Moving up now on the outside is Melania, then followed now by Dugong Bugaw. Antonio De La Mugis comes next, then next in line now is Rancheros Oradas Gray comes next, then followed by El Mundo, then moving up is Blazing Bullet. And on the far turn, we have Sundance is still in control, leads by our length and a half, and in second remains Dugong Bugaw. Moving up down on the inside is Melania. Antonio De La Mugis comes next, and they are now entering the home stretch. Sundance followed now by Melania in second. Dugong Bugaw is racing in third. Oradas Gray comes next as they swing for home. We have Sundance by about 2 lengths, and on the outside second is Melania. Down on the inside is Oradas Gray. In the middle portion now is El Mundo. Last 100 meters we have Sundance followed by Melania, and finally the curtain closer. Sundance, Melania, El Mundo.